It is a frustrating cycle for some people who are overweight. They're too heavy to be eligible for joint replacement surgery, but they can't lose the weight because of exercise.
Now, that's where these new weight loss medications are starting to help. And one man from Moni says they help change his life. Here's health and wellness reporter Lauren Petty.
This was Danny Gallegani 2 years ago in the cardiac ICU.
Every doctor I'd seen, telling me, hey, you got to lose weight or you're going to die.
Weighing nearly 550 pounds, the husband and father of 2 kids could barely move with 2 bad knees.
That's that, it's that catch-22 that, hey, you need to lose weight. Well, how? I can't even get up to go to the washroom myself.
He tried bariatric surgery 15 years ago, but it failed and his weight kept climbing.
I kept going up and up and up until I ended up in the, cardiac ICU.
That's when a doctor recommended Mounjaro, which would also help fight his type 2 diabetes.
It was like a miracle.
As the pounds came off, Danny was finally eligible for the knee surgeries that were deemed too risky before.
It's very clear that as BMI goes up, the complication rate goes up. So at a BMI of 40, you're definitely at higher risk. At a BMI of 50 and over 50, the risks really become quite high. And there are a lot of surgeons who won't even think about operating on someone at that size.
After losing nearly 300 pounds, Danny was able to get both knees replaced, the most recent 2 weeks ago. Not only are these medications enabling weight loss, which allows for joint replacement surgery, doctors here at Midwest Orthopedics at Rush say they're seeing another potential benefit.
Data that we're collecting, as well as other investigators are collecting, suggesting that if people who are on those medications at the time of surgery seem to have a lower risk of complications compared to patients who aren't.
Danny dropped from a size 82 to a 38, and he says he's living a dream.
The life I wanted for my wife, Jill.
With his wife of 34 years, the couple plans to spend more time in Florida.
How about walk beach? How about do 5Ks? How about all that?
With the goal of running a 5K in his future. Lauren Petty, NBC5 News.
Talk about a transformation.
That is incredible, and his quality of life, most importantly, just night and day. That's awesome.
Way to stick with it. It's a great story. Thanks to Lauren.